Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS 6.12 on VirtualBox. First download the Tails OS by going to Tails official website, that is tails.net. Click on install Tails. See here the latest version at the time of making this video is 6.12. Okay, so scroll down to download. Click on Burning a Tails DVD. Click on it. Then see here download Tails.12 ISO image. Click on this, or you can download by using BitTorrent. Download started. See, the size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download complete. See here, I have already downloaded Tails OS 6.12 ISO. Now open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox. Okay. Click on VirtualBox. See, these are the list of the virtual machines that I have created. But for Tails OS, click on New or Machine and select New. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Tails 612. And select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. By clicking on this drop down, see, this is the default one. So if you want other location than this default one, click on other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. I am giving folder name as virtual machine name. Select the folder. Then select ISO image that we have downloaded. Select other. Then select Tails ISO file. Then see, once you selected, type change it to Linux. Subtype as Debian. Version as Debian 64-bit. I am going to select this skip unattended installation. Then hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. It's up to you. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want edit settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or machine and settings, or click on settings. All three options are there. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on this start button to start the installing the Tails OS 6.12. Click on it. Use up and down arrows. Select the first one, that is Tails 612. Hit enter. Now, if you want to create persistent storage, you have to move this pointer to right. Okay, and see, this is the language keyboard layout formats. If you want to change, just you have to click on these options. Then you can search. Okay, and additional settings. Click on this plus button. See here we have these additional settings. So if you want to set the password for administration, just click on it, then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on add. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, if you want to connect tar, just select the checkbox and click on connect to tar. This may take time. Minimize it. Close this one. Okay. Now open terminal. More /etc OS-release. See here we have installed Tails OS 6.12. Its ID is like Debian. Okay. Now the first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. For this we need the administration password that we have set. Okay, all done. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.12 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.